Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hi there, Tony from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at the Songwriter series from Gibson, in particular the Songwriter Studio. But before we do so, please sign up for the Acoustic Letter. Click the link below. You will be very happy that I suggested you do so. On to the Gibson Songwriter Studio. This guitar, even though it has the word studio in the name, is far from a stripped down studio type instrument. Usually studio means not a lot of inlay, not a lot of bells and whistles, but as you can see, this is far from the case. The Songwriter Studio features a Sitka spruce top, Indian rosewood back and sides. It has a rosewood bridge, rosewood fingerboard. The bridge is a very Gibson classic mustache shape. It has a tusk saddle, split parallelogram inlays on the neck, tusk nut, classy gold Grover Rotomatic tuners, inlaid classic Gibson headstock, and this particular version is a cutaway. It also comes in a non-cutaway version. And it has a Fishman Prefix Plus T pickup. This guitar is essentially stage ready, and as the name suggests, studio ready as well. Acoustically, it sounds great. The guitar has advanced X bracing. It's incredibly responsive. The bass response is really, really excellent. So let's give this guitar a play, and you can hear for yourself, the Gibson Songwriter Studio. Thanks for checking out the Gibson Songwriter Studio. Please leave your questions, comments, suggestions below. And again, don't forget to sign up for the Acoustic Letter. Thanks a lot.